manufacturing. So what that means is basically doing the designs for the customer and at the same time after that manufacturing the product. That's what where we are aiming towards that going. And what we do is we are an integrated electronics manufacturing service provider. So what that means is we make the PCB assemblies, we make the wire harness, we make a precision manufacturing components, then we integrate all those things as a final product. So those were our core competence, and what we do in those things are industries like aerospace, defense, medical and industrial. And the one other thing, if you look at our competitive edge areas, what we do is basically predominantly in highly regulated industries and with very high entry barriers for anyone to come into our area of business there. And also, if you look at some of the customers whom we work for, we already mentioned earlier. So it is Honeywell, Thales, Bharat Electronics Limited, ABB, and Malview. These are some of our marquee customers with whom we are working since last several years. And one other thing, what we see our main core competence when compared to our competition is the engineering design, right? So if you look at, we have a 7,000 plus design engineers who are in hardcore engineering technology providers who are there with our parent organization, Cyinet Limited. So that's where we'll be taking the leverage from those engineering teams and doing the designs and then manufacturing the final product. That is one of the core competence what we have when compared to the competition there. And as said, we have 3 factories. So there are 2 are electronics manufacturing services factories, one in Mysore, other one in Hyderabad. And we also have a mechanical high precision low volume factory in Bangalore. So these are 3 locations which we have currently our manufacturing unit under Cyinet DLM. And we are one of the few EMS companies in India who are catering the highly regulated industries, as I said earlier. Okay. And it also takes a lot of time for any of the OEMs to basically qualify for any of the EMS service provider. So it's, if you look at for aerospace, it takes probably 3 to 4 years to qualify any new EMS supplier, depending upon the various standards and the competencies required, skill required. Because these are all very, very highly complex products what we do. It's not like a consumer products. Okay, it's a very, very highly complex and high mix and low volume products what we manufacture for our customers. And if you look at some of our revenues which were there, so last year FY23, which is March ended March of this year, we were 832 crores of the revenue, and our EBITDA margins are coming close to 11%. Okay, so if you can just move to the